Hi, my name is John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. It's a nice nightcap that isn't a great lot of machining, but I do quite a bit of fabricating. I make a device for cutting sticks, for cutting kindling for my wood burning stove. I've used a chopping axe for a long time and I nearly cut my bastard finger off the other day. So I thought there must be an easier way. I've had one or two ideas off the internet and I make a kindling splitter, a little bit of welding, some stainless steel welding, some decent arc shots. There's got to be an easier and safer way than this. Right, my idea is to make a guillotine type thing for cutting sticks or for cutting kindling. I've got a bit of stainless steel there, but that won't hold an edge. I've got an old blunt file here which will hold an edge. I'm looking at the chopping axe sort of shape there. So I think what I'll do is I'll make a blade out of this piece of stainless, but I'll weld that file into there, then I can sharpen the file to get a nice sharp edge on it. So probably cut a little piece out of there to put that in. Have a pivot here, a handle there, and it's going to be sort of mounted onto a wall. I think I'll make the blade first. I'll do a quick drone, cut that out of there and set the file in, weld the file in and sharpen it up, and I'm just going to sort of make it up as I go along, which I do with most things I make, I suppose. Just cut it off so we've got a parallel piece of blade to work with. Keep meaning to make a hole out to clip the grain out of there. This file blade is fully hardened, so before I weld it I'm just going to take the temper out of it, otherwise it will crack. As it cools down, as it welds, expands. Heating up the plate there. Let it cool down naturally, and that'll take the temper out of it. Still ain't getting enough heat with it. Take the right temperature on it, look at this magnetic attraction. Starting to get a little bit of heat in the fire bit now. That was welded on this Artec 260 AC DC inverter TIG welder. It was welded on straightforward DC. I set the max amps at 133, and once it started welding I backed off to about 80 amps and it welded very nicely indeed. I used a 2.4mm tungsten, and the filler wire was 308 stainless, which is a good dissimilar wire because I was welding sort of high carbon steel, which was the file, to a piece of stainless steel. That's a torch I use. It's a water cooled CK20 torch. Good for 250 amps, ideal for this machine. Using a number 8 gas lens, like I say, 2.4 tungsten. I'm going to drill the holes in here because if I'd cut them in with a plasma cutter on stainless, it sometimes goes really hard next to the cut. With stainless you've got to put decent pressure on. You've got to make sure you don't get it too hot. If you get it too hot, it work hardens and then you won't be drill holes anywhere. These are cheap and charity Banggood spot drills, and for the money they are real good quality. It does make a lot of smoke, this cutting paste. It's not actually getting that hot. It's going through there quite nicely. Just like that. So I've just got the two parts held together with wool grips. I was going to put a couple of tacks of weld on, but that's done the job quite nicely. Needs a handle sorting out now, possibly a piece of round stainless bar welded on, but it certainly chops sticks. I was at that garage again yesterday with my friend, and I picked 1 or 2 more bits and pieces up. I'll show a little bit of that. One thing in particular, a really nice handmade vise. I couldn't just let that go into a skip. I had to bring it home, and I suppose I'll keep it now. This is the handmade vase I picked up at the weekend. It really is a nice bit of kit. It's probably not moved for a lot of years, but it's nicely made. It's actually seized up. It's pulled the circlip off the back of there. We'll sharply repair that. What it wants is a good clean up, a good polish, and it'll work again. I was going to use it in my other shop for welding, but it's too good for that. I'll keep it in here. There's some beautiful fine TIG welding around there. It's just a nice item. Really is too good to scrap. Nice TIG welds there. Everything's been polished. It's all been like draw filed. Welding around the ends of there. Very nice indeed.